but I came here today to disturb your peace. Who were you before the world told you who to be? I'm asking you a serious question. Who were you before the heartbreak? Who were you before the bankruptcy? Who were you before they fired you, before they overlooked you, before they told you that you weren't tall enough, smart enough, or good enough? Somewhere inside of you, buried under layers of doubt and fear and scar tissue, there is a lion that has forgotten how to roar. There is a king or a queen that has forgotten they have a crown. And I am telling you, it is time to excavate the real you. I need you to write it down. Stop keeping your dreams in your head where they can get mixed up with your fears. Put it on paper. When you write it down, you turn a thought into a physical object. You give it mass, you give it gravity. I will build this business. Write it down. I will heal my body. Write it down. I will be the first in my family to own a home. Write it down. But before you can build a new house, you have to clear the lot. You have to forgive. And this is the hardest part. I'm not asking you to forgive them for them. I'm asking you to forgive them for you. Holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. It is rotting you from the inside out. It is blocking your blessings. You cannot receive with a closed fist. You have to open your hand to let go of the past so you can catch the future. Forgive the father who wasn't there. Forgive the teacher who said you were slow. Forgive the partner who betrayed you. And most importantly, forgive yourself. Your trauma is not your tombstone. Your trauma is your tuition. You paid a high price for that pain, so you might as well get the lesson. Don't you dare waste that suffering. Don't you dare go through hell and come out empty-handed. If you walk through the valley of the shadow of death, you better walk out with a map to show others the way. That rejection, that was protection. That person walking out of your life, that wasn't a loss. That was an evacuation. That was the universe clearing the room so that you could finally have enough space to grow. You've been looking at your scars with shame, trying to hide them with long sleeves and fake smiles. I want you to look at those scars as medals of honor. They prove you survive. They prove you are harder to kill than your enemies thought. Yesterday is a canceled check. Tomorrow is a promissory note. Today is the only cash you have. How are you going to spend it? Are you going to spend it reliving the glory days of high school? Are you going to spend it replaying the tape of that argument from 5 years ago? Or are you going to invest it in the architecture of your future? Don't let this feeling fade. The moment you turn this off, the world is going to try to snatch this energy from you. The emails are going to come. The bills are going to come. The negativity is going to come. You have to guard your mind. You have to stand guard at the door of your mind and demand to see the idea of every thought that tries to enter. If it doesn't serve your vision, it doesn't get in. If it speaks of fear, it doesn't get in. If it speaks of lack, it doesn't get in. You are a creator. You are a builder. You are a force of nature. Don't you dare give up. You are too close. You are right at the breaking point. And the breaking point is usually right before the breakthrough. The night is darkest just before the dawn. So get up, wash your face. Put your shoulders back. Look the world in the eye. Your past is a lesson. Your present is a gift. Your future is a masterpiece. Now go out there and paint it. Go out there and build it! Go out there and be it!